One thing that you can start to do in your morning to unleash this manifestation power within you is having a good routine around I am statements. Now, you've already heard of it, I'm sure, when you say I am whatever it is, right? An affirmation. I am grateful, I am happy, I am accomplished, or really those longer ones. I am grateful now that I have $10,000 income per month coming in, right? It's just different affirmations. You've heard of I ams, I'm sure, before. I'm going to give it a little twist today. It's a little bit more advanced, but I'm sure you're ready for it, and that's why you attracted the video divinely timed today. In your morning, if you can spend 5 minutes or less, 5 minutes or less, doing these I am statements, it will make a tremendous difference in your energy, your overall happiness level, and what's resulting in your manifested results into your life. So what you're going to do is sit down and you're going to close your eyes and you're going to realize that there's a power coming to and through you that's formless and undifferentiated, meaning we give it form, right? How do we give it form? By the mental images that we are entertaining. Form a mental image of abundance, it starts to take its form. You make a mental image of lack, it starts to take its form. Now, not immediately physically, but the energy starts to take form. When you sit down and close your eyes, you want to start doing I am statements, short ones, about your qualities and characteristics and your skills. Let's do an example. I am confident. Easy one, right? You might already be very confident, but if you can raise your level of confidence from here to here in any area, earning money, sales and business, relationships, manifesting your dream home, dream car, if you can raise your level of confidence, you will start to manifest that even quicker. So you want to do a statement like, I am strong and confident. I am unique. I was born to win. Now that's not an I am statement, but we can tweak it just a bit as well. I was born to win. I am a winner. I am always in flow. I am highly intuitive, right? So we use these phrases, and what you want to do is one after another, but take a little pause. So for example, my eyes are closed and say, I am confident. And what you want to do is visualize I am confident in your imagination, like literally see the word, okay, in your imagination. I am confident. Take a breath in and a breath out. Go to your second statement. I am very strong. Great. Take a breath in, take a breath out. I am becoming very wealthy, and you could do statements like becoming as well. So I'm just mixing it up to give you a clue of the different statements that you could be using. I am becoming wealthy. Now you're not going to say I will become or anything like that. It's becoming is a great word that states internally, I do believe it's happening right now. Okay, so you could do the I am becoming or just I am wealthy. Say I am wealthy. I am total abundance. Take a breath in and a breath out. I am highly intuitive. Take a breath in, take a breath out. What this is doing is channeling, again, the energy that's formless, that's coming into your consciousness, really consciousness itself, coming to and through as an energy form, and you are shaping that energy. It's like plastic substance. You are shaping that substance into a form, into something specific, and or general, okay? So either of those. But what you're really doing is taking the substance and placing it into the form deliberately, intentionally, on something you do desire to have manifest that will improve your life in any area of life, okay? So as you do these I am statements, you do this for 5 minutes, consecutively for 10 days in a row. Very important, okay? Consecutively for 10 days in a row. You're gonna feel calmer, you're gonna feel happier, you're gonna feel more satisfied with life, and you're gonna be eager for more and grateful for where you're at. And as you find those emotions, you're extracting the goodness in today, which allows you to free your energy for better manifestation from here. Because most people start their day in doubt, worry, fear, overthinking. And when they're in those emotions, those thinking processes or anything like that, What you're doing is taking this energy and you are giving it form to things you don't want, and really you're manifesting what you don't want. So we take this consciousness, this idea, and we take these forms of energy through I am statements, and literally you're commanding the I am presence, which is God itself, universe itself, and putting it into the light. Really, at a spiritual depth level, you're putting it into light to activate that more in your being, which is already there. Those I am statements are already true within your core being. They may be a physical lie right now, right? If you say, I am wealthy, but you're not, physically in your circumstances, it's a physical lie. You are lying to yourself. But it's equally a spiritual truth. You can become wealthy. Anybody on the planet can become wealthy. I'm sure you can believe in that and agree with it. Anybody can become wealthy. Even the people that have absolute poverty, you've heard those stories before, right? If you have the right guidance, you have the right scenarios and opportunities come up to you, things can move. So it doesn't have to be, $20 million in the bank account. Wealthy also means having some freedom. Maybe you start earning 10 grand a month and it creates freedom in your life. That's considered wealth as well. Okay? You can become better and better. You could own a business that earns a little bit more money. You could increase the business success you're in right now. That's true. So it's a spiritual possibility. It's an energetic possibility. So when you're doing these I am statements, even though your physical results, your circumstances, your situations might be awful, might be challenging, might not be desirable, even if you say the I am statement and it doesn't reflect what is happening today, it's a lie you're saying physically, but it is a possible truth. And the only way to change your results and to change things that are coming into your life is start affirming what you do desire now before it shows up. Don't be happy when you win the lottery. Don't be happy when you finally get the business results. Get happy now by changing your thoughts, because thoughts induce feelings. Choose more happy thoughts. Get in a happier state. It's going to free a lot of resistance. You're going to see better things improve in your life, in your business, or whatever it is. So this is morning technique number 1. Use it for 10 days in a row and comment below every day to keep yourself accountable. Here's what I would do in the morning. Wake up in the morning, listen into the video, sit down for 5 minutes, do your I am statements, go back to the video and comment done day 1. Okay? Then you do day 2. Okay? You do your listening into video, you sit down for 5 minutes, go to the comments, done day number 2, right? And you do that for 10 days consecutively. It's going to give you a place to stay accountable. It's going to give you a place to actually stay consistent with your routine. It's going to give you a place ultimately to share that win. It's a win if you can do anything in a row that's going to improve your life. All right. And if you want to actually get a little bit more in-depth info about this, you're really ready to fully jump into immersion around manifestation. In the description below, check out our courses like the Manifestation Accelerator course, okay? It will blow you away. You'll have something like this, but way more in depth also. Technique, method, knowledge, what to do and how to do it every single week for many, many weeks in a row. We have over 1.5 years of content straight. Now, you don't have to do that. Sounds like overwhelmed. You could do it for a couple of months if you want to, but it's going to give you specific things to do every day that we see thousands of our members actually every single week posting huge financial wins that are seeming to be impossible to the regular world. But we've been able to prove it into a science and method around manifestation and the laws of the universe, okay? So go ahead in the description below, check it out right away, sign up and enroll into our course, our Manifestation Accelerator course, and that will allow you to really start making huge improvements in what you're doing, all right? So again, here's the game plan. Number 1, listen to video every day. Number 2, sit down for 5 minutes to do your I am statements and then comment your accountability below, okay? Number 3, you're going to do this for 10 days consistently and consecutively, commenting every single day, done day 1, done day 2, all the way to done day 10, right there. Number 4, get involved in our Manifestation Accelerator course if you are not already, all right? This formula right here will start to change your energy so well. I mean, it will be a night and day difference, all right? So go ahead and follow the process here. It will change your life. I look forward to seeing your comments below and also in our accelerator course. They're going to allow you to really unleash your full manifestation potential.